Laza, congratulations, gold medal and quota place. We'll talk about the quota place in a moment. First of all, winning the gold medal, you had a big battle with Heg of Norway all through that final, coming down to the final shot. Just talk us through what was going through your mind.
Yeah, you can see how was the shooting. Shooting was, really great. The struggle was real. There are a lot of good shooters here, and the quota place is in stake, so the all shooters are perfectly, they want to be as good as you, to get the quota, to get a medal. So, it's hard, but I managed to calm down my emotion and to go to the top.
You did. And the quota place was actually secured before those final shots. Were you able to have a little moment to celebrate knowing you had the quota, or did you just focus on those remaining shots for the gold?
Yeah, actually I was focused on the gold. I didn't look on the quota, on the ranking list, but I was focused on a clear medal, on the gold, to be as high as possible. Heg is a little bit in front of me, but you saw that it was all is possible. Yeah,
and in the end just came down to 0.1. Final question. Knowing last night that you were already in the final, with the qualifying being done earlier than normal, what was going through your mind with the extra pressure, knowing that this would be your last chance for a quota place?
Actually this isn't the last chance. You have the European at the small war, and you have the ranking list. But I was concentrating on doing things right and doing things how I'm feeling, and to be in the medal match and to win the quota.
Well, congratulations, Laz. Go and enjoy the podium.
Yeah, thank you very much.